Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our Lone Star double arch door today. All right, so we're on the Lone Star. Let's talk about this door. So this is a 72 by 96 inch door. 72 inches measures from outside to outside. Okay, that's the width. And 96 inches from the bottom of the threshold to all the way to the top peak of the frame. That's the 96 inches. Okay, so this is a right-hand in-swing door, which means this door opens inside to the right wall. We have these doors in different swings if you need them, also in different sizes and in different shapes. This is an arch door. We have them in square, full arch, single door, all the different variances. So this is an oil rub bronze door. That's the color of it. It has frost glass with a screen. So this is the only door that we actually carry as of right now that has a standard screen option with the door. Standard bore holes on all of our doors. These are solid pickets, guys, so it's not hollow. These are solid pickets with knuckles on it and a star in the center. Really sweet door. It's got glass all the way down, which gives you a lot of light coming in and at nighttime going out. It looks beautiful. It just glows in the middle of the night when you have the lights on inside. Pretty cool door. It has some straight bars. It has some curves to it. Has some knuckles on it. It's got the star, obviously. It's got the mesh that's standard. It's got a lot going for it. And it's got a magnetic screen that comes off during summertime. I mean, wintertime, you can remove it. And then summertime, you can put it back on if you want it on there. Let me flip this around and show you guys what the other side looks like. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Lone Star. You untwist the knobs, flick it over, glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass, remove the screen, and clean the scroll work if needed. We do make this door without a screen if you want it also. Pretty simple, it just pops right off. It's a pretty cool system. All of our doors on the bottom, it's sloped down. So just in case if you get any kind of sideways rain, it'll actually dribble down and not stay and puddle up in there and cause problems over time. That's pretty much it. Greasable hinges. We have a little grease nipple on top. We leave those on. If you don't like them, you can unscrew it off and take it off if you like. This is so you don't have to remove the door over time and put grease in it if it needs lubrication. You can just get an automotive grease gun from Amazon, pretty inexpensive. Put it on and pump some grease in there and they'll lubricate the hinge. And you'll know when it needs lubricating because it'll start making noise. Every probably 2-3 years, it'll end up having to do that. Pretty standard because it's got so much weight on those hinges that it'll need lubrication over time. That's it. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys on the next door. Thank you. Thank you for watching our Lone Star showcase today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS irondoors.com. Or you can call us at 844-843-6677 or leave some comments below. We'll try to get them answered as soon as possible. Thank you.